Hi guys! On this video you are going to learn how to sketch a little kitten. We're going to start with the head first. So we're going to make a round circle. And then they usually have those little tiny bows, so I'm going to make a tiny bow here. And then the ears, which are right up at the top. Then let's make two big eyes here. Make sure the eyes are the same height, right here, and a tiny little nose. Then we're going to do a black circle here for the eyes. Then just a tiny line here for the mouth. Then let's do 3 lines for the whiskers. Then we're going down to the body. So let's make 2 hands here. And 2 big legs, so 2 circles. I'm going to do another hand right here. Let's make 2, 3 buttons. We're going to make our little kitten as cute as possible here. Then 1, 2, 3 lines for the legs. 3 lines for the legs. All right. Let's use some color. So the nose, I'm going to do this black. And that's it about sketching. We can come back and then put more lines if you want to. I think I'm going to put a triangle here, actually, for the ears inside. And let's go one more time around. Let's make this a bit thicker. So this way we know where the face is. Right there. Now this is mostly drawing. I'm not going to put too much color in there. I am going to use Crayola markers for this project. So no pencils involved. But if you want to use pencils, you can use pencils. All right. The inside part of the ear, I'm going to make this, it's like dark pink, and I'm going to use the same color for the lips right here at the bottom. going to use the same color for the hands, or let's say gloves. If our kitten has some gloves, let's make those the same color. And same on the other side here. Now I'm not going to color everything. I'm going to color only some parts of my project. And then for the bow, I think I'm going to use this purple. Oh, I like this color, it's very nice. I hope you guys like purple too. Purple, it's a very beautiful color. So I'm going to do the bow and I think this part here with purple. If you guys want to use colored pencils, you can use colored pencils for this project. But because I'm not coloring everything, I'm doing only some parts of the little kitten. That's why I'm using Crayola markers. Okay, looks good. I'm leaving these two parts white for now. I think I like them white so far, they look good. Then let's go down here to the color, let's say color of her shirt. And I'm going to make that purple also. And I'm going to put a bit of purple around the buttons. Like that. And with purple, I'm simply going to draw. So I'm simply putting lines right here. And let's go across here. Just going to make some wavy lines. That's where the shirt is for a little girl. There we go. I'm going to make all this purple here. And 2 lines on each side. And that's about it about for this project, guys. I am not, like I said, I'm not going to put much color in it, but if you want to put any color that you want, you are welcome to do so. I think I'm going to leave it the way it is, and I think it looks pretty good to me. Well, thank you for being here, guys. I'll see you on the next project. Bye bye.